So teachers, this video is going to teach you how you can bulk edit your classes. The first thing we need to do is, of course, come into the editor, and then we're going to click on Activity List. Once we're in the activity list, it shows us everything, but we want to filter that down. So right here in Filter by Type, we're going to filter it down to our assignments. And then we're going to check box all of the assignments, come to the pencil for bulk edit, and we're going to check the box for allow late submissions. We're going to make the rule always, and we're going to understand that it's permanent. You can always undo it later, and then update. Then we're going to do the same thing for our assessments. We're going to filter to assessment, check box all of them, come up to the bulk editor. We're going to allow late submissions always. And this is where you can set your number of attempts for whatever you choose to select. Then we're going to say, I understand. And we're going to update. We're going to do that again with discussions if your course has discussions. And in the Edmentum courses, you will be filtering by custom activity. Custom activity for Edmentum. So it's super useful, makes things super quick and easy, and I hope you find this video helpful.